The Innocn 49 curved monitor is about to revolutionize your productivity and entertainment experience. Imagine being able to capture every detail in your games, videos, and work projects with crystal clear clarity. No more pixelated messes or blurry screens. This monitor delivers double the resolution of 5120 by 1440 up to 120 Hz with a DP 1.4 connection, making it perfect for content creators and serious gamers. The curved design reduces eye fatigue by an astonishing 1800R curvature, allowing you to view multiple tasks at once without straining your eyes. Plus, the wide 32:9 aspect ratio stretches out your screen real estate, giving you room to multitask like never before. Just turn on and play. But what really sets this monitor apart is its versatility. With USB-C power delivery and a rich array of ports, DP 1.4, HDMI 2.1, USB-A, USB-B, RJ45, and 3.5mm audio jack, you can connect your devices with ease, whether it's your laptop, gaming console, or tablet. And then there's the display itself, an adaptive sync technology powerhouse that brings professional-grade color performance with HDR400 and a staggering 3000:1 contrast ratio. That means incredibly smooth images and video viewing experiences. No more jarring motion blur or loss of detail. But here's the thing, this monitor isn't just about raw specs. It's about what they do for you. With PIP/PBP split-screen technology, you can work, play, stream, or multitask like a pro on just one screen. That means double your productivity and double your fun, all from the comfort of your own home. One of the standout features of this monitor is its impressive color accuracy. The Innocn 49 uses advanced color gamut technology to deliver a wider range of colors, making it perfect for graphic designers, photographers, and videographers. Whether you're working on a project that requires precise color matching or just want to enjoy the most vivid visuals possible, this monitor has got you covered. Another area where this monitor really shines is in its gaming performance. With support for up to 120 Hz refresh rates and NVIDIA G-Sync technology, you can expect incredibly smooth gameplay with zero screen tearing or input lag. Whether you're playing Fortnite, League of Legends, or any other game that requires quick reflexes, this monitor delivers. The Innocn 49 also boasts an impressive range of adjustability options. The monitor's 1800R curvature allows for precise control over the viewing angle, ensuring that you get the perfect view every time. Plus, with a 100% sRGB color gamut and 99% DCI-P3 color accuracy, you can trust that your images will be displayed accurately and vibrantly. But what really sets this monitor apart is its durability. The Innocn 49 is built to last, with a sturdy metal frame and high-quality glass panel that resists scratches and wear. Whether you're using it at home or on the go, this monitor can withstand even the toughest conditions. And let's not forget about the sound quality. The Innocn 49 comes equipped with high-fidelity speakers that deliver clear, crisp audio without the need for external speakers or headphones. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or just relaxing at home, this monitor provides an immersive audio experience like no other. Imagine being able to work on your next big project while also streaming your favorite show to friends and family. With the Innocn 49's built-in streaming capabilities and seamless connectivity options, you can do just that, all from the comfort of your own home. The Innocn 49 curved monitor is more than just a monitor. It's an experience. It's a tool for creatives, gamers, and anyone who wants to elevate their entertainment experience. With its stunning visuals, impressive performance, and range of adjustability options, this monitor is sure to revolutionize the way you work and play. By investing in the Innocn 49, you're not just buying a product, you're unlocking a world of possibilities. You'll be able to capture every detail with crystal clear clarity, multitask like never before, and enjoy immersive audio experiences that transport you to new worlds. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or simply someone who wants to elevate their entertainment experience, the Innocn 49 curved monitor is an absolute must-have. So why settle for anything less? Upgrade your productivity and entertainment experience with the Innocn 49 curved monitor, the ultimate tool for anyone who wants to take their skills to the next level.